Hey, what's up, YouTube? This is Italo. I'm making a BMX end of the year bike check. Friday out here in Brazil. About to be Christmas, so making a bike check for my start my new build. So the frame is a 2008 Honda Bama frame. Got the hookup from my homie Bama out in the Bay Area a while back ago. I got the Edwin De La Rosa grips. I got the Master SK8 bars. It's the BMX company out in Brazil, for those of you that don't know. Built in Rio. I got the original S&M Redneck stem. My forks are the Shot of Conspiracy 026 Creepers. Super nice, super clean. I got the white Demolition pegs. Demolition Zero rim. Odyssey Aiken K-Light tire. I got the We the People. Right hub, really old school. I don't know which one it's actually called, but whatever. I got the old school Bosch sprocket. Holding up so far, pretty light. It works. Got Ladera cranks. Odyssey PC pedals, black. Got the heavy duty TMC chain with the shadow link. Got my frame. I got the Maxxis DTR tire, DTH. Sorry. Got the Demolition Zero rim. Oh, and for the tires, I got these tires from Positive BMX, Positive Bike out here in Brazil. Matt, hook up to Junior and everybody out there. Thanks for hooking up for the tire. I like it so far. I put it on today. It works. Super nice tire. I got the profile rear hub, black all tie. Just got it cleaned up. Random black pegs. Premium seat post. I just fixed my seat post. This little thing there. Got the premium post. I think we kneel the seat. I think it's the fatty seat. I don't really know which one it is. White. And that's my bike. Shout out to Day Game out in San Francisco. You know, hooking everything up, me and the homies out there. I thank all the homies of Positive Bikes out here in Brazil. Gotta thank them too. Big game sticker. Positive Bikes for hooking out, you know, with the tire when I needed it. I got the animal headset. And thanks to Positive Bikes, Big Game, all the homies out here. Peace.